So I'm going to answer this question. What does the examiner expect of you on the driving test manoeuvre? So whatever manoeuvre you're going to get in the UK, whether it will be park on the right, reverse bay park, forward bay park, or parallel park, one of the manoeuvres is going to come up on your driving test, and the examiner is looking for good observations, control, and accuracy. Them three things. On the marking sheet, it will say observations and control. But they're also looking for accuracy because you need to finish what you should be doing. So with the observations, just say this is an example, you've got yourself a parallel park to do, ahead of you is the car. What they want to see is when you're about to pull off, you're checking round to make sure it's safe to move off. And when you're next to the car, you're in reverse, you're looking round again. And that's the observations. And you're looking round to make sure there's no one approaching, and you're giving way to these people if there's anyone approaching you. The control is keeping the speed under control, so you're going slow. You're not kind of jumping off the clutch and stalling or shooting forward with the accelerator, slamming the brakes on. Control of the pedals. And the accuracy is completing that manoeuvre to what they've asked. So if they say to you on a parallel park, get yourself parallel next to the car in front of you, reverse back behind it, finishing within 2 car lengths of the car in front of you, reasonably close to the curb. And the 2 car lengths includes your car. So the maximum gap between you and the car in front of you should be 1 car length, because you're 1 car length as well. Okay, so that's just one example. If it's helped you to understand the manoeuvres, what's expected by an examiner, then fantastic. Give it a thumbs up and put a comment below if you want me